Have you ever felt the enigmatic whispers of your inner self, urging you to explore the depths of your psyche? Have you sensed the shadows, the hidden aspects that quietly beckon for your attention, waiting to reveal the mysteries that lie within? In our journey through the corridors of self-discovery, we often stumble upon the profound teachings of Carl Jung, the pioneering soul who dared to venture into the realm of the unconscious. But have you ever asked yourself, what secrets does the shadow hold? How does it shape our reality? And how can we alchemize these hidden truths into a harmonious whole, igniting the spark of transformation within? In the depths of our psyche lies the enigmatic realm known as the shadow, a reservoir of suppressed thoughts, emotions, and aspects of ourselves we often choose to deny or ignore. Carl Jung, the pioneering Swiss psychologist, delved into the shadows of the mind and unveiled the transformative concept of shadow work. This profound journey into the psyche is an alchemical process, inviting us to embrace the hidden aspects of our being and integrate them into the wholeness of our existence. Understanding Carl Jung's philosophy. Carl Gustav Jung, a pioneer of analytical psychology, delved into the exploration of the unconscious mind and its profound influence on human behavior. He proposed the existence of a collective unconscious, a reservoir of shared experiences, symbols, and archetypes that transcend individual experiences. Within this collective unconscious lies the shadow, a concept that embodies the aspects of ourselves that we repress or disown. Jung believed that understanding and integrating the shadow was crucial for personal growth, self-discovery, and achieving individuation, the process of becoming the truest and most integrated version of oneself. The shadow, a closer look. The shadow represents the darker, hidden aspects of our personality. It encompasses our fears, insecurities, suppressed desires, and unresolved traumas. These aspects are often projected onto others, causing us to judge and criticize in them what we fail to acknowledge within ourselves. The alchemy of shadow work. Shadow work is akin to the alchemical process of turning base metal into gold. It involves confronting and embracing our shadow, transmuting its energies, and integrating them into our conscious self. This alchemical transformation leads to a harmonious and balanced psyche, aligning us with our authentic essence. Nature of the shadow. The shadow represents the parts of ourselves that we repress, deny, or disown. These aspects often contain our fears, insecurities, desires, and instincts. It is a powerful aspect of the unconscious mind. Integration and individuation. Carl Jung emphasized that integrating the shadow is essential for individuation, the process of becoming our true, whole selves. By acknowledging and integrating our shadow aspects, we achieve a sense of balance and completeness. Projection. Jung discussed how we often project our shadow aspects onto others. What we dislike or fear in others is a reflection of our own suppressed traits. Understanding this projection is a crucial step in shadow work. Conscious and unconscious. The shadow is a bridge between the conscious and unconscious mind. It holds the potential for personal growth and self-discovery. Exploring and integrating the shadow can lead to a more integrated and authentic self. Archetypes and collective unconscious. Jung connected the concept of the shadow to the collective unconscious, a shared reservoir of human experiences and archetypes. The shadow often embodies archetypal elements, reflecting universal human fears and desires. Personal and collective shadow. The shadow isn't just individual. There's a collective shadow as well. The collective shadow consists of societal and cultural repressed elements. Addressing the collective shadow is crucial for societal healing and evolution. Shadow work techniques. Jung advocated techniques like dream analysis, active imagination, and engaging with art and symbols to explore and integrate the shadow. These methods help in understanding and working with the shadow aspects of the unconscious mind. Steps to initiate shadow work. 1. Self-reflection and awareness. Begin by fostering self-awareness. Reflect on your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors without judgment. Acknowledge moments of reactivity and triggers that may point to suppressed aspects of yourself. 2. Exploration and acceptance. Dive into your psyche with an open heart. Explore the memories, fears, and emotions that surface. Embrace them without condemnation. Accept that these aspects are a part of you. 3. Journaling and creative expression. Keep a journal to record your thoughts and emotions during this process. Engage in creative expression, art, writing, or music, to externalize and process the contents of your shadow. 4. Therapeutic guidance. Seek support from a qualified therapist experienced in shadow work. Professional guidance can provide invaluable insights and help navigate the complexities of the shadow. 5. Integration and healing. Engage in healing practices like mindfulness, meditation, or energy work. Use these modalities to integrate and transmute the shadow, allowing for healing and growth. Embrace the alchemical journey. Shadow work, inspired by Carl Jung's profound insights, is an alchemical journey of self-discovery and integration. By facing our shadows and embracing them with love and understanding, we pave the path towards a harmonious psyche and an enriched, authentic life.